This is a Korean bush cherry, and we're going to do some heavy pruning on it, and that will definitely slow down and possibly cause us to not have any fruit next year, but it should come back just fine. And it definitely needs some pruning. It's a little overgrown here. And this is what the Korean bush cherry looks like after a good trimming, and it should recover just fine here. This is Korean bush cherry. It is December of 2025, and I did not get much fruit at all, but you can see where I trimmed it, and I have a lot of new growth here. So it recovered just fine. Just 1 year without fruit. Next year I should get a ton of fruit on this thing, and it's a little bit lower and a little better maintained than what I was hoping. So I'll try to keep up with it, and I'll probably, like this branch right here, I'll probably prune it back to about right here, and that way I'll get more branches out and give it more of a bushy shape instead of so scraggly looking here. But winter is definitely a good time to prune the Korean bush cherries, and you can do a heavy prune on a large plant and it seems to do just fine. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day.